Hello students and welcome to lecture 4 of fractions. Today we will learn about equivalent fractions. Okay. Now equivalent fractions mean the fractions which are having equal value. Let us write it in our mathematical form, that is two or more fractions having the same value, okay, or representing the same part of a whole are called equivalent fractions. The meaning of this is, see, two or more fractions having the same value. Suppose I tell you, if I am having a fraction 2 upon 5, okay, suppose this fraction, let me multiply it by and divide by 2. I will get 4 upon 10, correct? Now 4 upon 10 means it is in the table of 2. I'll write 2 2 is 4 and 2 5s are. So if 4 upon 10 I convert it into the simplest form, I will get 2 upon 5. That is, this fraction and this fraction are having the same value. Now suppose 4 upon 10, if I multiply by 3 and 10 also I'll multiply by 3, I'll get 12 upon 30. Now 12 upon 30, let me take table of 6, then 6 2s are and 6 5s are. Again I am having the value same, 2 upon 5 means we can write 2 upon 5 is nothing but equal to 4 upon 10, that is equal to 12 upon 30. Okay, but and we can say that all these are equivalent fractions as their value remains the same. Okay, after converting this 4 upon 10 in the simplest form, I will get 2 upon 5. Even I will convert 12 upon 30 in the simplest form, I'll get 2 upon 5. So that means all these fractions are having equal values. Now the second thing they have said, or representing the same part of a whole. That means we can draw it and understand. Let me take a circle and I will divide a circle in two parts and one part is shaded. So the fraction is half. The same circle further, if I divide in four parts, then and two parts are shaded, then I will write 2 upon 4. Here it is same, it is half, okay, because we will divide this by the table of 2, 1 upon 2, so same. Now let us draw a circle and let me divide this circle in 6 parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and I will shade this 3 parts of the circle. Then I will have a fraction 3 upon 6. Again 3 upon 6 is nothing but 1 upon 2. Correct? In the simplest form. Again this circle I will divide in 8 parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Now 4 parts I will shade. So the fraction will be 4 upon 8 and its simplest part will be half. That means this picture shows us that it is representing the same part of a whole. Here all the above fractions are representing same part of a whole. Okay, so this is called fractions. Now the value of fraction in the equivalent fraction, another thing is that value of a fraction does not change. When it will not change? even if the numerator and the denominator are multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number, that is not zero, okay, to get a equivalent fraction. What is the meaning of this line? Value of a fraction does not change if the numerator and the denominator are multiplied or divided. Let me explain you. If I am taking a number 4 upon 9, if I multiply this 4 upon 9 by 2 and divide it by 2, that is, we multiply 4 with 2 and divide, or I multiply 9 with 2. Okay, I am going to get 8 upon 4 2s are 8, 9 2s are 18. Okay, now same 4 upon 9, if I will multiply by 3 and divide by 3, then we will get 12 upon 27. Again this 4 upon 9, multiply by 4, and in 9 will also be multiplied by 4. Then we will get 16 upon 36. Now the simplest form, main fraction is 4 upon 9. Simplest form should be 4 upon 9. So 8 upon 18. So 8 is in the table of 2. 2 4s are and 2 9s are. The simplest form is 4 upon 9. 12 and 27. Table of 3 4s are, 3 9s are. 16 36. Then table of 4. 4 4s are and 4 9s are. Here we are getting the same value. That is 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. Means we can say that 4 upon 9, 8 upon 18, 12 upon 27, 16 upon 36 are the equivalent fractions. Okay, these all are the equivalent fractions. So we will write the answer as, therefore, the equivalent fractions of 4 upon 9 are 8 upon 18, 12 upon 27, 16 upon 36 and so on. Same thing, I'll explain you with another example. Let us take one more example, that is 9 upon 11. We'll start with number 2. Multiply 9 by 2 and 11 by 2. We will get 18 upon 22. Now we will multiply by 3. 11 also we will multiply by 3. 9 3s are 27 upon 33. Then 9 with 4 and 11 with 4. So 36 upon 44. The simplest form of all these fractions should be 9 upon 11. So I can say 18 and 22 divide by 2, you will get 9 upon 11. 27 by 33 divide by 3, again we will get 9 upon 11. 36 upon 44 will divide by 4, we will get 9 upon 11. So the same value. Therefore, the equivalent fractions of 9 upon 11 are 18 upon 22, 27 upon 33, 36 upon 44. Okay. Now the same question they can ask you in other way, that is, write an equivalent fraction of 2 upon 5 with the numerator as 12. That is, your numerator should be 12. So the same number you have to divide, that is, in the denominator also 5 should be multiplied by the same number. Now let me say that to get the numerator as 12, we have to multiply 2 by 6. So the same number 6 we have to multiply with 5 also. So our answer will be 6 2s are 12 upon 30. Correct? So the value is, equivalent fraction is 12 upon 30. Same way, if I say that 16 upon 40, okay, you have to make an equivalent fraction of 16 upon 40 with denominator as 10. So what will we do? Here, make denominator 10, we have to divide it. So how will we do? 40 should be divided by 4 to get 10. So 16 will also be divided by 4. Numerator and denominator should be multiplied or divided by the same number. So we will get 4 upon 10. So the equivalent fraction of 16 upon 40 is 4 upon 10 after dividing. Okay? This way you have to do multiplication and division both. Next lecture we will do more sums on equivalent fraction. I end my lecture over here. Thank you very much.